Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect with Huntington Bank for personal finance, beginner guide step by step clearly. To connect with Huntington Bank for personal finance, start by visiting their official website. Look for the personal banking section on the homepage. Explore the various options available for personal finance, such as checking accounts, savings accounts, and loans. Select the specific service that interests you for more details. Review the features, benefits, and requirements associated with that service. Locate the Open an Account or Get Started button on the page. Click on it to initiate the application process. Fill in the required personal information, including your name, address, and social security number. Provide any necessary financial details such as income and employment information. Review your information for accuracy before submitting the application. Once submitted, you will receive a confirmation of your application. Monitor your email for updates regarding your application status. If approved, you'll receive instructions to set up online banking. To access online banking, navigate back to the Huntington Bank website. Click on the Sign In button located at the top right corner of the homepage. Enter your username and password to log into your account. Once logged in, explore the dashboard to view your accounts and available tools. Utilize the budgeting tools offered under the Personal Finance section. Consider downloading the Huntington Bank mobile app for on-the-go access. You can also reach out to customer service if you have any questions. Find the Contact Us section on the website for various support options. Choose to connect via phone, email, or live chat based on your preference. Enjoy the resources Huntington Bank provides for managing your personal finance effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.